I should actually change it to my better mic. This is how you add hit sounds to your map. So I gotta fix this, but I just, why is Sponge still enabled? It looks like, what the heck? Whatever. Sponge, why are you enabled? It's not there. There. Where's that? Here's actual Sponge. Oh, there. All right. So the way you do it, you're gonna select the thing you want to have a hit sound. So make sure it has a collider. So just select it. And then for the tag, you can set it to either brick or rock. And it will give it a hit sound. I think rock is the splat sound. The splat. It sounds like a splat. I don't know what hand for sound is. But yeah, you can set that. So that's how you add hit sounds, and I tested it, and it should work. But yeah, that's how you do it.